Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a thing. I just got this from Five Below. I'm going to be opening in front of you. This is the same thing I got. Never mind. Got this from Five Below. And I'm going to be opening
Ice
this.
cream. We just went
So
to
So I'm going to be opening this in front of y'all. So let's get started.
our parents
So-
went to Steak and Shake and got milkshakes, and we went
Okay,
to
I
Sonic
need
and
these.
got ice cream cone.
Let me open this. So actually, let me show you the box first. So, the water fountain played. Look, this is
It goes with the
Liza Koshy dancing water speaker. It's a dance. Wrong thing. Look, it's a dancing speaker.
Liza Koshy.
Bye. Okay, so it
Liza.
does light and it lights up.
Speaker dance yet?
So, no, like I'm dancing with it. Well, and you go. Oh.
I actually dropped that one.
Give it, Kelly. Stop. She's
Yeah.
so.
What?
We have to pick it out. We have to pick out an apple.
No, we don't.
I
Yeah.
don't care. Oh yeah.
What do you mean they don't care?
Well, I said what, and they were like, nah. I didn't say anything.
We have to kind of go there at nighttime, but not right now.
You guys can probably stay up until Brittany goes to work.
You said Brittany, not Bibbit.
Yeah, she's doing a YouTube video.
Mama?
No, Skylin.
Oh my God, this is so.
Kelly,
You need some help?
Kelly, I'm on level 25.
I wonder if there's different colors.
Mm,
Oh yes, I almost got this up and see.
isn't that? There's an outlet right there. Is the cord long enough?
No. So here we go. Here it is.
So, she actually had another one, but
Dun dun dun.
she didn't even have it for a
Listen,
month.
listen. Everybody be quiet. ASMR moment. Boom.
Okay, but
Oh, so
we had
let
another.
me show you the first thing that you get when you open this.
She had another one, but the thing where you plug it in, like
Bro, no, I get to tell him that. I already told him that. So first you get the cord, you plug into it, and the other cord. See? Then there you go, and then it has the I'm gonna do the thing last. Then it has the directions. See? So here we go. Dun da dun, dun da dun.
oh, that one's white.
This one's white, yo.
Your other one was black.
Oh, and it's my other one was black. It's white.
Oh my god. Okay, did you tell him about the charger thing? Okay. So
Whoa. Hey,
you could have used your iPhone charger to plug it in there. You know that.
see,
Okay, but this part that plugs into here, this little part right here, it came out. Like the silver part that keeps it in, it came out. And so it broke, and we didn't even
so
have it for a
I'm gonna
month.
be opening this.
We didn't even have it for 3 weeks, did we?
Yeah, we had more than 3, right? It was since my birthday.
The louder you play it, the higher it, like, it goes up with the beat. Like,
Yeah.
Kiki, do you love me? It goes, Kiki, do you
And
love
then
me?
like
It's weird.
you plug this in your headphone jack, and then you put this and stuff.
Yeah, you have to put
I
it
need
in
my
there.
headphone jack.
Where is it?
Upstairs somewhere.
Oh my god, it's on your phone. Here.
Oh my god, let me just switch this.
Was it no listen?
I was checking.
It won't fit. See, and it like records and stuff. I want to see what color it turns. This is white. So that is it for my video. I'm just gonna yeet this. Yeet! Wait, no, that was a whole.
That was a Collins key thing.
What?
Don't run it into the sewing machine. That was even worse.
Ow! That was the worst. Well, it's just because.
There we go. Okay.
No, stop. And then here's the directions. That was your fault.
It was not. Thank you.
Let's leak it.
Watch.
Oh, just delete that part from the end of it so I won't be seen yelling.
Watch.
Let's
You
leak it.
frick.
Directions. No one needs directions these days.
You frick.
You guys never had the directions.
That's what my friends say. You frick. That's what you
Okay.
are. You
Well,
are a frick.
I'm gonna go, guys.